To use Do Not Disturb mode on a Pixel 10a, you have to start by opening the settings and now go for the modes. Now when you click on it, you can simply turn it on by clicking here, but before you start using this one, you can customize this. For example, who can interrupt you during the Do Not Disturb mode? You can allow someone from messages or calls. You can specific for contacts, for favorite contacts, or for example for anyone, or can set that no one can actually recommend you. And there's one hidden option: allow repeat callers. So if the same person calls a second time within a 50-minute period, then you will get notification. So if you want to completely get rid of every kind of the notification, make sure that you're gonna unselect that option and select no one here. And it looks the same for messages. Now when you go back from this one, we can also set options for alarms and other interruptions, like for example the media sounds and the alarms. And below we can find the display settings for all of those notifications and other things. And here we can also find duration for quick settings. So for example for 1 hour or for 5 hours, or ask every time. So how it works: every time you're gonna turn it on, you will get this pop-up notification and you have to select for how long you want to use this. And now when you want to quickly turn it on and off, you can open the quick settings, and over here by going to the modes, you can just get this shortcut.